All right, y'all, so right now we are headed to the well, it's not even a Bentley dealer, but the reason why sometimes I be wanting to entertain a Bentley, besides the looks, you don't see too many Bentleys from the US on YouTube. Every time you search it up, it's like from London or from somewhere else. So I want to go look at this one, see how much it costs, and just show y'all some reasons why I don't never buy one and probably wouldn't get one. But the prices are lovely. They are dropping down to an amazing price. But nonetheless, y'all, let's just fast forward till we get there and let's just go look at this thing. Oh man, y'all, I think I can see it from here. They put it right on the end. There it go. There it go, y'all. Look at that. All right, let's go check it out. All right, y'all, I'm just now arriving, pulling up, and there it is. Oh man, just look at this thing. Like, we could just take a look at the road or other cars, but nothing really has the presence of a glorified Volkswagen, the Bentley GT. Man, it's just so exotic looking and so mind-blowing. All right, y'all, let's get out and go check this thing out. It's a Bentley GT. I don't think I ever brought a Bentley GT to the channel. Man, look at the way this thing look. Oh man, I even like these a little bit more than I do Mercedes. You know, I'm not biased. I just like the luxury cars, but look at this thing. Like, look at the way it sit. See that color? I believe that might be a wrap on it. But it is very nice. Like, look at the rims. Like, this thing is an exotic car all the way. The rims stock are 21s on this thing. Like, just look at the rear. This thing is really nice, y'all. But this one, I'm thinking it's the W12, unless they debadged it with the V8 sign. But really nice car, just looks exotic overall. This thing's really lovely, but it's just the maintenance on these cars. Like, even the front 21s as well. That is a huge tire and rim for a car like this. But what makes this car get that exotic look is look at that window. That window profile is really nice. No sunroof was added on these, but the look is great. And then the main thing about them also is that the price has started to come down on these things. Like, the price, I'm gonna put some prices up here in the corner so y'all can see, but the maintenance on these are real bad. But look at this thing. It just looks just like a bubble. It looks like a big bubble. Even the front headlights is like, a lot of people don't like bubble lights, but I think these are real nice to give the car that exotic, like England type look. But it is just a Volkswagen in disguise. Now, the craziest thing is, even my dad be always saying, you just need to go down there and go and get one. The reason why I can't, because the maintenance prices are just too high for me. Like $16K if the suspension go out. Like, these things just, like, even the seat belt, if you notice on this one, it's supposed to be in, it's already just sitting like leaned out. So it is very nice, but, and this one's going for, I just talked to the guy, he said it's going for 65. So 65K, that's not bad for a W12. It is a 2013 or 14, I believe he said, and looks good. Car still looks good. That is a wrap on it. I'm just scared. So shout out to Mitsubishi, I said that all wrong, Mitsubishi Motors. But it looks great, y'all. But the reason why I kind of just wouldn't, because of the maintenance, y'all. I'm sorry, this is really a car where it is pay to play. This is the definition of it, but it's not even that. It's just untimely, expensive repairs that go wrong with this thing. All right, y'all, now, so the only thing about those Bentleys, I do like checking them out. They are nice cars, but I just can't do, especially on that one, because it was a W12. So I'm not sure if it was a W12 or a V8S when I went to check. I would prefer to get the V8S because better maintenance over time. So with that said, though, I did want to check it out and bring it on the channel because I like the Bentleys, man. I just like the look. Volkswagen did a great job. It screams Volkswagen, but it screams exotic. Also, if I'm gonna get a Bentley, I don't want it to have a wrap on it already. I kind of want it to stay, you know, basic. Sometimes when they have a wrap or things done to it, I look at it as like it's really used now. I want to be the one to put the wrap on it, put the whatever on it. So that's another thing. But the maintenance, especially on the V12, is one of my homeboys has said, or one of my friends, he was like, you could just do the maintenance yourself. It's not that hard. So do y'all know if the maintenance is hard to do yourself or not? Let me know in the comments, y'all. But I don't know. I just can't seem to kind of do it. If I'm gonna do that, I might as well like buy a Benz again or something. Like I even got a lot in this Camry where I could probably get like 22,000 for it, but I don't know if I want to trade in a Camry for a Bentley. That's just kind of where I am at. You know, the older me would have did it in a heartbeat. Oh yeah, man, I can get a Bentley. Hand me that Bentley. Take this thing. But this car has been so reliable. I got it 2020 and 2020 and no problems whatsoever. So, man, just those cars are so tempting though. Even some of the Benzes. But with those cars, it's funny because I almost look at it like the new name, or the name of it is basically a Volkswagen with a budget. Like, that's how I look at it, like a Volkswagen with a big budget, you know, like they gave them money and say, you know what, go design an exotic looking car with all kind of wood all through it. But that is my first favorite car. Then it's like the CL, then the S Coupe. But that's why I always go to look at them or go to entertain it, because I just like the look of those cars. I always have, but I know I just shouldn't do it, especially that one because it's a W12. The V8S, if they continue to come down, you know, price is looking a little lovelier, then it may be all right. But signing off, Benz man.
Laid off, so what's the saying that hard work pays off? Bag to be made, no days, never sleep in. This new Benz only out on the weekend. Get the bag, that's the damn campaign. I just ride coupe Benzes and pop champagne.
I got a full tank of gas in my E-Class Benz. I cop the S600 through the AMG in. Mashing up the block, they can't see through tents. Why my G-Wagon gotta be so dipped? All I ever wanted was a brand new Benz, so I could ride 4 deep, just me and my friends. I used to be flat broke, now I got ends. First thing I did was go buy me a Benz.
All I did was get a bite of the bag, now I'm swimming with the sharks. Take a look, it ain't a game, feed one and check the charts. Fit clean with the drip like faucets. Ain't a blue strip on 100, well you might as well toss it. Grind hard, grind smart, watch it double up. No lean, only keep heen in the double cup. All I ever wanted was an E-Class Benz or a Benz G-Wagon for me and my friends. Ha! Real talk, I got it going on. Don't know what you doing wrong, going gone, feeding on for going long. I mean, it is what it is, right? Do it big, might order all the bottles on that big life. Been stunt, cause I'ma run it up. Big blunt, cause I'm a stunner, bruh. And you ain't got no bottle or no blunt, cause you don't stun enough. Can miss with all that talking, money show that you ain't running up.
I got a full tank of